Matcha is a unique form of green tea that's been gracing tea ceremonies in Japan for centuries, renowned not only for its vibrant green hue and creamy texture, but also for an impressive array of health benefits. Originating from the Camellia sinensis plant, matcha is a concentrated form of green tea where the entire leaf is ground into a fine powder. This process allows you to consume the whole leaf, which means you get a nutrient-rich brew teeming with antioxidants, higher levels of caffeine, and a unique flavor profile that regular green tea simply can't match. Now, on to the exciting part, preparing matcha. It's a simple yet elegant process. Begin by sifting 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder into a bowl to remove any clumps. Next, add about 2 ounces of hot water, not boiling, mind you, but around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to get the temperature right, as too much heat can lead to a bitter taste. Once the water is added, the art of whisking begins. Using a bamboo whisk or chasen, whisk briskly in a zigzag motion until the tea becomes frothy. This process aerates the tea, giving it that signature creamy texture. And voila, your bowl of matcha is ready to be savored. Matcha isn't just a delightful beverage, it's a wellness elixir. It's rich in antioxidants, which are known to combat harmful free radicals in the body. Regular consumption may reduce the risk of heart disease, aid in weight loss, enhance relaxation and alertness, and even improve brain function. But remember, moderation is key. Experts suggest limiting consumption to no more than 2 cups per day due to potential risks of contaminants and toxicity. In summary, matcha is a unique form of green tea that offers superior health benefits. The preparation process, while simple, is an art form in itself, contributing to the overall experience of consuming this wellness elixir. So next time you're in the mood for a cup of tea, consider reaching for matcha and enjoy the health benefits it brings. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.